In this video, you will learn how to draw Sparks from Disney Junior's Superkitties, and he is a super brainiac. And I'm certain you will be proud of your final drawing. However, if you aren't proud of it, then let me know, and I will forever live in shame for being a bad teacher. So let's begin with the eyes. That is often the best place to start. Let's draw a diagonal line up, come down in a curve, around the nose and then back up again. Make a hard angle and connect the shape to make the outline of the eye mask. Next, let's do the left eye. Go around in a circular line. Connect. Then let's make a separator line for the eyelash. Then we do a semicircle for the iris, another one for the pupil, and for the highlight in the eye. Let's do the same for the right eye. Make the outline and connect it. Make the iris, the eyelash, and the pupil. And then finally the highlight. And that is the eye mask part done. Next, let's work on the head. Come around in a semicircle. Continue in a tighter path and connect it to the other side. Make a curved line up and then come down. Move down and then do the outline for the inside of the ear. And then come down, following the outline in an organic way. Move over to the other ear. Come up at an angle, then down and connect to the head. Same thing here. Make the inner part of the ear. Next, let's do the nose. And an organic line for the top part of the mouth. Come down and up, and then the outline for the tongue and teeth. Next, let's work on his fur pattern. Make these shapes across the head. Some patches. Some more patches. And then finally some patches on the right side of his head. And that is the head done. Moving on to the upper body. Make a line straight out for his left arm. Do the fingers. And the glove line. Move over to the other side and make the right arm. Draw fingers in an open palm facing down. Come up, the glove line here too. Make the outlines of his body. Do the piping of the suit. Then we can move down to do the lower body. Starting with the belt. Make the belt buckle. Continue the piping down and then come up. Do the boot trim. And then the shape of the boot. Come up on the inside of the leg. Make the other boot. And then come up to make the other leg. And the little part of the piping that we'll be showing here. Move over and let's do the tail. In a curved line up like this. Come around and connect. Finally, add the fur pattern to the tail. Great. That is the lower body done. Now just a few details left. Draw a cat head's outline on the chest. And a small heart inside of it. And that is the details done. And also all of the line are finished. Next up, we'll start with the coloring. Grab the purple marker and let's start filling in the eye mask. Working our way around the outline. Around the eyes. Filling the whole area. Then we move down to the suit that has the same color and start working around the outline, filling in as we go. Meanwhile, let me tell you a joke I heard the other day. Why don't oysters share? The answer? They're shellfish. How about this joke? What kind of music do bubbles hate? I'll let you think about that one a little before I tell you the answer. Anyway, back to the drawing. Let's fill out the yellow pattern of his fur, working around all the patches that we will fill with another color later, staying in one area at a time, finishing off the top part of the head before moving on. Then we can tackle the yellow parts on the right side of his head, then the parts on the left side, moving down to do the yellow parts of the tail. A quick side note, if you like these videos and don't want to miss any, then you should consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. It's a good signal to both me and to YouTube that you like what I do. Also, subscribing is free. Also, I would like to take this moment to thank my latest subscribers. Tack, as they say in Sweden. Anyway, back to the drawing. Let's continue filling out these patches of his fur. Then we fill out the inner parts of the ear, and the same with the other ear. Next, let's fill out his face that has this lighter shade. His eyes also have this same shade. Moving down to the cheeks, outline everything and start filling in. Around the mouth. Then let's grab the black marker and start filling in the eyelashes and pupils. And the same treatment for the other eye. So the answer to the joke before, what kind of music do bubbles hate? The answer is pop. How about this joke? What do you call a retired vegetable? Stay tuned for the answer. Anyway, back to the drawing. Keep filling in the gloves and finish filling in the boots. Grab a teal marker and fill in the trims and the belt. Finally, fill in the chest plate. And that is all the coloring done. Next up, we can make it pop a little extra by adding some shading. Let's grab the iPad for that. Start with some shading on the top, then come down to the chin. Then move up and start giving the eye mask some shading to give it some depth. The eyes get quick shade. Then we move down to the body, below the chin, the inside of the arms, the contours of the fingers. Down the body to show some volume. Then down the right thigh. The left leg gets some shading. Move over to the tail and shade the bottom. Next, let's do some highlights to give it the final touches. Some around the eye mask. Give the heart on the chest some highlights. Then the superhero suit gets some much-needed sheen. And there we go, our favorite super brainiac, Sparks. And if you want to keep on learning how to draw, check out this video of how to draw Bitsy from Superkitties. She is super adorable. Or if you just want the answer to the joke, what do you call a retired vegetable?